Here I will show you disk partition in Linux. To disk partition, we should be in the root. Okay, sudo I, and we are in the root. Type the command lsblk to see the storage. So here is the main hard disk, 476.9 gigabit, and I added a USB stick, 14.6 gigabit SDA. Okay, in your computer you have to check where it is. Okay, here is our hard disk. You need to partition. Okay, so this is our particular disk. I'm going to type command fdisk dev sda, press enter. So we are now in the disk. Here is the fdisk utilities. All right. Okay, this, ignore this. Now I'm going to type a command m for help. I'm going to type m. So it has some information. You see that many information, right? mbr. So basically what I'm going to show you, that we want to do a partition, but we need to check p. If I type p, it will give us some information, print information. Okay, so this is SDA 14.65 gigabit is some information. Okay, now what do we need? We need to create a partition n. If we type n, it means it will create a partition. Right, so here is n. N means new partition. Add a new partition. Okay, once we do the partition, we have option, either we can save it or quit it. If we write w, it will save and quit, and if you write only q, it will quit. Okay, so at first we see that we type n, we want a new partition. So it is showing that primary partition and extended partition. So four primary partition is free. Extended partition here, this is completely blank disk. Let's say default is p. It means we want to use primary partition p, and type enter, and it has primary partition. Here you can do in mbr 4 total. So default 1, type 1, and first sector, type enter for default, and assign a range. Let's say you want to 1 gigabit. Okay, this partition is done. How to see this? Then type p, it will print. You see that our start rate and 1 gigabit size, and it is 1 gigabit size. All right, now again type n and type p and type 2, same partition. First sector, take, let's say default, plus let's say I want to take 3 gigabit, 3g plus 3g. Now again type p. You see that your 3 gigabit printed. All right, so it starts from 2048 and ends to 0999199, and then it starts from 2099 next. Now here type n next, and again type p, again type 3, and first sector default, let's say, and plus 1.5 GB. Type p. You see 3 partition created. When you create partition, what you have to do? You have to type either p, either w or q. Okay, w means we want to save and quit, and q means quit, no save. Partition, it will delete it. Now let's say type w, we want to save this. Okay, press enter. Okay, you see partition table has been altered. Now again check lsblk. You can see that SDA has now 3 partition. Okay, SD 1, 2, 3, 1 gigabit, 3 gigabit, 1.5 gigabit. All right, This is how to do hard disk partition using fdisk. Any question? Let me know. Thank you.